Hi, class. Today we're going to get started using some cloud-based tools like Google Docs. And today I'm going to ask you to start a project without me. It's one that I really love a lot. It's called the Name Tag Glyph Project. And what you're going to do is you're going to basically make a name tag for yourself. It's going to give you a chance to show off some of your Google Doc skills and hopefully learn some new ones. So, what's a name glyph? A name glyph is kind of like hieroglyphics. They're characters or symbols or pictures to kind of represent you and your name. So let me get started by showing you the document that we're going to use. It's right here on Google Classroom under April 19th through the 23rd. Just go ahead and click on the attached document. You should have your own version of it. And here are the step-by-step directions. So simply just read the first direction, and then you want to go to page 2, which is where you're going to start to put your part. Okay, so let's read the first direction together, and I'll do one or two with you just to get you started. So write your name in the middle of the page in size 96 font. That's pretty big. Your name should be centered. Do not use the space bar to center it. If you are the oldest, write your name in all caps. The youngest, write your name in italics. Middle, underline your name. Only child, write your name in bold. Well, I happen to be the oldest, so I'm going to write my name all in caps. All right, so let me go to page 2 of the document. I should be able to click on it and go right there. All right, and I'm going to go to the center of the page, use my cursor to get me there. And what you're going to see is my cursor flashing here. Remember, I need to make it in the center, so I'm going to use this toolbar here, and I'm going to use the centering tool. I'm going to choose font size 96, and I'm going to start to write my name in all caps. All right, there I am. So I could tell that I'm the oldest because my name is all in caps. All right, let's see what the second direction says. Second direction says, insert the following symbol on your document to indicate the month you were born. So I was born in May. I'm going to put in a flower. Okay. All right, now, so let me see, where do I want to put my flower? Maybe I want to put it over here somewhere. So I'm going to go up to Insert, Image. I'm going to say search the web. And I'm going to look for an image of a rose. Oops, missed the word rose. Rose, and I want to use something called clip art. So I'm going to use this flower that looks pretty nice. I'll say insert. And if you don't know how to do any of this, I'd be happy to show you this on Tuesday, but I have a funny feeling you guys know how to do this. So as you can see, this picture that's coming in is gigantic, a little bit too big. So I'm going to click on it once, and then I'm going to resize it from the top left down below. And now it's a little bit smaller. Now I want to show you this part. These are different options as far as wrapping the text. I'm going to choose this one to make it wrap around a little easier. And now I should be able to pick up the flower and move it wherever I like. Okay, so I did those two with you. Hopefully you get the hang of this and just keep on going and following all the directions. Hopefully you'll have some fun with your Name Tag Glyph project. See you guys tomorrow.